Oh, it's Type C. It's Type C charger. My normal one is in shop there. If I go that shop, they'll not allow me to come outside back. So I'm just doing this thing now. People have exam tomorrow. So from here, this is the third one. So what we'll do from here is anyone that we have 0 becomes what? The one that we use as the chooser. So we want to assign first. First of all, let's connect. And in this connection, just make sure at least one row or one column has. So in this place, we have like this. Sorry, each of them, Tango, Echo, Bravo, and Zulu has a connection. This way, and dot this way. Now, if you notice, each of them have what? Connection. So look at the remaining ones. Now, each zeros here means what we can select. So Tango has a selection of A, C, and what? D. Echo has a selection of just B. Bravo has a selection of just B. And Zulu has a connection of what? A. But the point about this is that each must be assigned in different tags. Each, which means the 4 of them, 4 different tags, which means one take A, the other must take B, the other must take C. So if we even say we want to choose A here, and once we assign A here, A cannot be assigned there again. We will yes still have options to choose from. But in this case, B only. These two is only these two that they have. So we cannot share both tags between both of them because each of them must be given a different tag. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to do what they call step 4. This was row read. Okay, I've already written it before. We are going to do what they call step 4. So step 4 means we are going to do these 3 things. Okay, as I'm videoing it, you understand. These numbers that the line is not touching, look at them very well. That the line is not touching. We look for the smallest. Now, any point at here you saw what 2 lines, we're adding it by that smallest number. And any point you see 1 line, you are leaving it. But any point you are not seeing any line, you are subtracting it from that smallest number. So if you implemented what I just did now, you'll see that what we have is Tango, Echo, Bravo, and Zulu. Yes, A, B, C, and what? D. So if we take our time to look, see that the smallest in these numbers here are what? 3. These are the numbers the line are not touching. It's 3. So if we do, remember 2 lines we're adding it. 0 plus 3 becomes 3. So come here and we put it, which is what? 3. 9 plus 3 becomes 12. Then the other one is just 1 line, meaning what? We're leaving the numbers like that. So 0 and 0. The second one is just 1 line. So 39, 0. Now this one does not have. I say anyone that don't have a line, we're subtracting it. So 51 minus 3 is 48. 20 minus 3 is 17. We come to the third one. This is 1 line. So we're putting of 5. It does not matter whether it's horizontal or vertical. If it's only 1 line, it's only 1 line. 0 to that part of Bravo is 2. It's only 1 line. So we're leaving the 0. But 32 and 28, you get the idea is yeah, lesson is by that smallest number, which is 3, because of no line. So 32 minus 3 will give me 29, and 28 minus 3 is 25, right? Then we'll come to the fourth one. Only 1 line, so it repeats as 0. Only 1 line, so it repeats as 10. Then these 2, yeah, 3 minus 3 is 0, right? Because it does not have any line. 28 minus 3 is 5. Let's try assigning again. Remember, each of them must at least have a line connected to it. No, if you already have a line, you don't need to make it 2. So in this place, the 2 zeros fall under here for Tango. Bravo has this, right? And Zulu has here. Now I know you'll say, why do you not connect here? Because already this place belongs to Tango also and already has. This place belongs to Zulu also, it already has. But these 2 that will connect like this, Echo do not have, Bravo do not have, so we'll leave it. And also in line with the assignment. Because the assignments we're about to do now also in line. Now if you notice, only 0 now become choosers, right? Which means only C and D we can have for Tango. So Tango becomes only C and what? D. Echo becomes only still the same B, right? Echo is still the same B, right? Bravo is still the same B. But Zulu, we have what? A and what? C. So what do? We try it again. Remember the rules. Find the smallest number out of the one without, and then we'll minus it. This time it is what? 5. 5 is the smallest in the 6 of them. It's 5. So we know the rules. 3 is only 1 line, right? So let me redraw this again. A, B, C, and what? D. So which means here become Tango again. Echo, Bravo, and what? Zulu, right? Okay, let me write it in full. It might be useful this time. So here it becomes 3 has only 1 line. We bring it like that. 12 has 2 lines. We add it plus that 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. 0, 1 line, 0, 1 line is 0, 0. 39 does not have a line, we less it, but 0, 1, 9. So 39 minus 5 is, remember 5 is still the smallest in this second one. Is the first one that 3 was the smallest, is 34, right? The second part, the 0 is 1 line. 48 minus 5, because the 48 does not have a line, neither does the 27, so each of them will less 5. 48 minus 5 is 43, 17 minus 5 is 12. The third part, bravo, no, 5 does not. 5 minus 5 obviously is 0, but this 0 has 1 line, it comes like that. 29 and 25 does not have, so what do we do? 29 minus 25, 29 minus 5 and 25 minus 5, which will make it 24 and 20. Then the last one, Zulu, 0 has 1 line there, so we'll bring it like that. 10 has 2, so plus it, which is 10 plus 5, 15. 0